What an adventure today will be! Let's find something fun. Need help? I've got this! Delicious!
Don't worry, I'll pluck it down before it falls.
I'll carry some for my mom and dad. They love bananas. Luna, let's carry some for our friends too. Look at all these bananas we found, Luna. This jungle is amazing. Who can find? Our friends will love these. Let's share these with our friends. Yay, here you go, everyone. Thank you, Milo and Luna. These are very delicious. Goodbye, friends. Remember, thanks for sharing with us. See you soon. Sharing is caring. Take care.